Hey guys, so for this DIY, you're just going to be needing a few hats. In my opinion, I just got these from Walmart. You can get it from Michael's, your craft store, anywhere of your choice. And here I just have some iron-on patches. You can get these at your local store, or you can get them at Michael's, craft stores again, or Amazon, or you can also get them for free off VERYDICE. Be sure to use my code 349292. Here I just preheated my iron, and I just have my hat with a sheet. So for this one, I decided that I'm going to iron the surface. This is my first time, so I did have some trouble. And I'm going to put the pin on top, and unfortunately that did not work. So I decided to hold it there and iron it more. And honestly guys, my first try was so hard. This honestly took so much time, but after a while I got the hang of it. So you're going to notice that the hat is going to be flying around everywhere. So you're just going to hold it there with a sheet over, and make sure you press down on it for 1 to 10 seconds, and it should be there. So now that I have it, I'm just going to continue ironing it to get a nice surface. When you're ironing, you want to hold for like a minute at the max because you don't want to burn the patch. So for my next one, I'm going to make this for my boyfriend because I love him. And here I'm just going to be putting a donut. And this hat also reminds me of a hat from Zoomies actually. And here I'm just going to be placing on top of the hat, just like that. And I'm going to be doing the same step as I did for the rest. So for this one, I'm just going to push it straight down because it did take some time for this one since it's a lot bigger. So I'm going to stuff all of this inside of the hat so I can push out and it'll be easier to iron. Alright, so now that I have it, I'm just going to be holding it down for about 1 minute, and I should get my finished look soon. So I'm just going to hold it down a little bit more. And this is the finished product, but I noticed that you have to hold down everywhere so it does not stick up. The next one, I decided to do a rainbow because it's so cute, great for the summer, and here I'm just going to be holding it down. And after I got the hang of it, it turned out to be a lot easier. So I'm just going to be doing the same steps as what I did for the rest. And that's it. So here's a flamingo one. It was a little bit harder, so I did put on something at the bottom for it.